Sounded like.
I don't freaking really want him up there.
He sounds better than me.
I just wanted to show you how my cat scares the shit out of me about 3 times a week.
Dad, should he open up their microwave because there's KB? Okay. Excuse me.
Hey! Stop it. You're done. You're done.
Et mes cheveux, c'est bien ou pas? Je sais pas si je les laisse comme ça. Mais ça va pas? Mais ça va pas? Mais... Ah! Putain, tu fais tout tomber!
Rosie. Rosie. Rosie.
Oh, it's Posey's arch nemesis. You gonna come kick his ass? Okay, wait. No! Hey, Posey! Get the hell back in the house. I'm sorry, Katie. I'm sorry my cat sucks. I can still be your friend.
Animal on this planet. A violent...
Care of my Mimi's rabid cat. Her food bowl's over there and I can't even get to it to feed her because she's being a little shit. Whoa!
Y'all do this. Oh my god. What's up with them in that chair?
That put together themselves to make.
Los que metieron en la misma caja. Que de zapatos y no caben. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué haces ahí? Te están espachurrando sin baja. Sabes que no puedes salir.
Tallulah, do not eat my plant! Tallulah! Don't you fucking do it. Oh my god! No!
a full-time job, and it's extremely time-consuming, and it's not as easy as it may appear to some.